Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a wheel change of Ford Focus. First step, switch to Gear 1 and pull the handbrake. After this, lock your wheels on the other side. After this, connect the wheel cover by using a screwdriver, a flat one.
Okay.
Nice. Now it's time to make the wheel replacement part. Yeah, first step, unscrew the bolts, 4 of them. Nice. Only a little bit. Good job. Yeah. Now it's time to lift up your car by using a car lifter or a car jack. This area is for your car jack because it's a high power area. There you are able to lift up your car, the Ford Focus. Yeah, we will use a rubber for security. Now, lift it up and support your car with another support unit. But first, we will lift up by pumping the car jack up. Pump it up, pump it up, baby, yeah. Pump it up, pump it up, yeah. Good job, but you have to pump a little bit more. Okay, let's have a look for an extra supported area under your car. And there it is. Yeah. Push the additional support in position. And after this, let the car a little bit down until the extra support stand is reached in one level with the car jack. Then you have a second security if you're going to change your wheels. Good job. Now, let's roll on to the wheel change action. Now, extract the 4 bolts. These bolts support your car in position. Good. Rotate it off. And do this 4 times. After this action, you're able to extract the wheel. Now, let's assemble another wheel. Push it back in position and use the bolts and the nuts to support it. Yeah. First, tighten the screws by hand, not by a tool. Only with your hand. That is the first step. Nice and easy. And then use a tool. And take care. Make a cross over tightened action. First up and down, then right and left. Yeah, good job. Now the bolts are tightened again. Now it's time to lift up your Ford Focus a little bit more to extract the extra support unit under your car. Yeah, we are done with this awesome job. Now, bring back your car on the ground again. Open the valve of your car jack. Now it's time to tighten your wheel nuts with Newton meter, 110 Newton meter. This is important. Do not break your wheel. Only 110 Newton meters. Use a torch wrench for this. And do this in cross position. Nice. Good job. And use a nut on front and an extraction for it. Good job. Or additional part. Yeah. Now it's time to push back the cover in position. Push it flat on your wheel and press. Yeah, good job. Hey, come on, yeah? Push it in. It's easy. Push, baby. Hey, we're waiting for it. Push it. Yeah. Do it. Oh, push. Good. Yeah, now it's locked. Good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.